I was made this way, the ghetto's in my blood, so I'm gonna stay this way. The street is full of criminals and violence, so I pack a pistol and hang with towns, as you can see. I got a clique, not a team, got a lot of homies, but they be nothing but just homie to me. Nobody can be trusted on the street, it's not my enemies, in the punk police. I'm not against the hater, think that I bang your stuff. Catch me in the wrong mood, I'm not afraid to bang my stuff. All I wanted was just a good life, skipping classes, always end up in a school fight. Ain't gonna ride with gang bangers, now we hood fight. Let my heel go long, cause it look tight. In my jeans baggy so I can hide my 4-5. The only thing that could bag me whenever the scene don't look right. I got a girl that love me and miss me, just wanna hold me and kiss me, but I won't let her come with me, cause the lifestyle that I live in is shitty, and my family just waiting at home for me. And if one day I was to never return home from a scheme, bury me with my chrome, and I'll say goodbye to your dreams, so be forgiven. They say they see no future for me, cause I'm ducking from shells. I figure I'm bigger, these cowards just can't be. The pressure and the pleasure made me a trigger happy. I promised my mama no more drama, but it seems like I don't have any choice. Growing tension as I listen to my mission from a voice that plays constantly in my head. I can't control my mind, now my enemy's dead. I try to heal the pain by smoking that purple, but nothing changed, cause now I wanted by the popo. I witnessed no helping hands for friends, so I turned to my can and asked for a helping hand, hoping my old man would lend me a hand and quickly pull me out of the quicksand. But no, I'm on my own now. Mama, don't cry, I won't be coming home now. Life is too precious, don't waste it, lower your ego. This is my thug story about a gangster named Hollow.
About the 8 murder cases that took place November 2004 to February 2005 in the Great Central Valley. May all the victims rest in peace.